Hi friends, thanks for joining me. Today I've got a video for you using the March kits. I had to think about it then. And you can see the gorgeous kits here have a lot of Pink Fresh Studio and Simple Stories, as well as Hip Kit exclusives. And it's Cut File Tuesday, and this is the cut file I'm using. So it's a really pretty frame, designed by Kim Watson. And you have to forgive my setup today because I was away at a crop over the weekend when I had to create my layout, and unfortunately my lighting wasn't the best. So I hope you can forgive that. But you'll see everything clearly enough, hopefully. And the first thing I'm going to do is back the file with some patterned paper. So I don't know how you back a cut file, but I tend to draw around the main elements and hope that I don't chop any bits off that I shouldn't. If you've got any top tips for me, I'd love to hear from you. You can always drop me a message in the forum and the members forum in Facebook. It would be really nice to hear if you've got any tips, because I do find it a challenge personally, and I see these lovely backed cut files and I wonder, how long does it take you to do that? You must have a better method than me. Anyway, I'm just going to go simple with the cut file. As I say, I've just backed the main flower elements on the file, and I'm just going to glue that into place with my PVA glue. And I tried out a few backgrounds, but I really came back to the dark blue background. It's almost a navy blue. It's a really pretty colour. And everything just looks stunning on top of it. I absolutely love the Hip Kit cardstock, the exclusive cardstock that we get nowadays. It's just stunning because you know it matches the kit perfectly. It's a really good quality and just such pretty colours. And it just makes everything pop, doesn't it? The white just pops off the page against that dark blue. I also cut some of the flowers from the Hip Kit exclusive paper. I think they look like bramble flowers, if I'm not mistaken. I'm sure Kim or Kimberly could correct me there. But I just cut out some of the flowers and leaves and used one of the Pink Fresh frames underneath, just kind of as an anchor. I find this is a really simple layout today, just because I was kind of a bit challenged, I think, whilst being away from my desk, my craft room, and not sure what you see, I'd even forgot my ruler. So I had to improvise and use some packaging to line things up. So mother invention, isn't it? So unfortunately, my daughter was due to have her prom at the start of or during the pandemic. So we'd bought this beautiful dress for her, which you can't see under the light, which she never got to wear. So I do feel sad for her from that point of view, because she was so looking forward to it and had become an ambassador for a dress shop, for a prom dress shop. So it was all a bit of a disappointment from her point of view. But I did get a nice photo out of it, so it was an expensive photo. I'm sure there were lots of people in the same position. That's going to be more or less it. I'm going to add some splatters afterwards, just some white paint splatters, which I decided after the event. So, but that's more or less how it goes. Oh yes, I'm going to add the enamel dots. Yeah, my brain's not working today, so I'm just going to sprinkle some of those enamel dots around, and I'm going to use them as those little buds on the arrangement there. They're very cute. So they're just a perfect size because there's lots of sizes and perfect colours. So I don't know, have you got a silhouette machine or a Cricut? What's your favourite? Mine's a silhouette. I don't use mine very often, but when I do use it, I'm thinking, why don't I use this more often? So if you're a subscriber to the Hip Kit Club, you'll enjoy all the free cut files that we have every month, including this one. And I would love to see what you do. If you'd like to share that in the group with us, that would be amazing. I really hope you like the layout. You can see there's extra splatters there. Just give it a little bit of extra depth. And I really hope you like that. And it was a very quick video today. So thank you so much for joining me. I really hope you like the layout. And I'll see you over in the members group on Facebook. Take care now. Bye.